Hey there, Sticitt Superstar. Have you ever wondered how to load funds into your Sticitt wallet? Or maybe you're curious about how to order your own Sticitt MasterCard and make online purchases like a boss? Well, you're in the right place. We've got all the answers to your questions. Say goodbye to a world of confusion and hello to a world of easy breezy Sticitt action. Do you ever wonder, how do I load funds into my Sticitt wallet? Or how do I order my super cool Sticitt MasterCard? Or how do I shop till I drop in my online store? Well, guess what? We've put together a whole playlist of answers waiting just for you. Whether it's your first time or you're just looking for a quick refresher, we'll have you feeling like a pro in no time. Ready to take charge of your Sticitt experience? Well, hit the playlist button and let's get rolling. Click the link below and you'll be one step closer to mastering Sticitt in your life. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive in.